Most people think they're smart. They sit around waiting for the perfect time to buy. They tell themselves, I'll just wait until stocks drop a little more. Then the market rips higher and they FOMO in at the top like a bunch of idiots. This is why most investors fail. They hesitate, they second guess, they let fear dictate their actions. Meanwhile, the people actually making money, they don't sit on the sidelines waiting for a golden invitation. They buy the dip. Let me make this simple. The market doesn't wait for you. It moves. And if you're not in it, you lose every single time. Today, I'm going to break down exactly why history proves that buying crashes is how the biggest fortunes are made, why trying to time the bottom is a guaranteed way to destroy your wealth, and the only investing strategy that actually works, long-term, stress-free, and no guessing. And at the end, I'm going to show you exactly what I just bought so you can see what an actual investor does when the market hands them an opportunity. If you want to keep losing money, do what everyone else does. Sit on the sidelines, doubt yourself, wait for the perfect time. But if you actually want to win, keep watching. Every time the market crashes, people panic. They say, this time is different. They think, I'll just wait until things settle down. Then the market takes off without them and they miss the entire move. This happens every single time. Let me give you a reality check. Every bear market in history has been followed by all-time highs. Every single one. Let's look at the facts. 2008 financial crisis, stocks collapsed. The S&P 500 dropped over 50%. People swore the market was done. The next decade, the biggest bull run in history. 2022 COVID crash. The S&P 500 lost 34% in 33 days. Fastest drop ever. People ran for the exits. 6 months later, new all-time highs. 2022, the bear market. NASDAQ tanks 35%. People panic. 2023, tech stocks explode. Nvidia up 239%. Meta 194%. NASDAQ has its best year in decades. And yet, every time the market crashes, people make the same mistake. They sell, they wait, they play it safe, and they miss the best gains. Meanwhile, the ones who buy when stocks are down, they build life-changing wealth. Because here's the truth, the best buying opportunities happen when fear is at its highest. The market rewards people who stay in. It punishes people who wait. So you have two choices. Buy the fear, hold and win, or sit on the sidelines, wait for certainty, and get left behind. Which one sounds better? And here's the hard, cold truth. Most investors lose money for one simple reason. They can't control their emotions. They buy when stocks are high because it feels safe. They sell when stocks are low because they're scared. And they repeat this cycle over and over, losing money every single time. Meanwhile, the people actually making money, they do the opposite. When everyone else panics, they buy. When everyone else is greedy, they take profits. And that's why the rich keep getting richer, while the average investor gets crushed. Look at history. 2008, people sold at the bottom. The ones who bought, they tripled their money over the next decade. 2020, people panicked during COVID. The ones who bought doubled their money in a year. 2022, market tanks, people flee. 2023, massive bull run. And guess what? It's happening again. The market drops and people start saying the same things. What if it goes lower? This time is different. I'll wait until it feels safe. And then, just like always, the market rips higher and they miss out. The truth? Fear makes people stupid. They act based on feelings, not facts. They chase comfort instead of profits, and that's why they lose. So what's the fix? Stop trying to feel safe. Start thinking like an investor, because the best way to win in the market is to buy when it's uncomfortable and hold when it's boring. Everyone thinks they'll be the genius who times the market. They won't. Here's the truth. The best investors in the world don't even try to time the market. And if they can't do it, you definitely can't, and I certainly can't. A study looked at 4 investors over 40 years. The perfect timer somehow bought every dip at the exact bottom. The consistent investor invested the same amount every month, no matter what. The late investor waited too long, bought at higher prices, and the cash holder sat on the sidelines waiting for the right time. So who made the most money? The perfect timer, no surprise. But guess what? The consistent investor was almost as rich without ever timing the market. And the ones who waited, they got wrecked. Here's why. The market punishes hesitation. If stocks crash, DCA lets you buy more shares at a discount. If stocks rally, DCA ensures you ride the wave higher. If you wait, you miss the best days and never catch up. Every market dip is a wealth transfer from the impatient to the patient. The people who panic sell, they give their money to the ones who buy and hold. So you have two choices. Number one, keep trying to time the market and stay broke. Or number two, dollar cost averaging and getting rich over time. Now let's talk about the number one investing mistake people make after buying the dip. Most people think buying the dip is the hard part. It's not. The real challenge, holding. Every investor swears they'll be patient, but the second the market gets choppy, they start thinking, maybe I should sell now and buy back lower. What if this isn't actually the bottom? I'll just take profits now and wait for the next dip. And that's how they lose. Not because they didn't buy, but because they didn't hold. Look at history. Amazon dropped 95% in the 2000s. Weak hands sold. The ones who held became millionaires. Apple tanked multiple times. Same story, only the holders won. Bitcoin crashed 80% multiple times. Who made money? The people who held through every cycle. This is where most investors sabotage themselves. They expect a straight shot up. The second things get volatile, they panic and sell. Here's reality. The stock market doesn't pay you to be comfortable. It pays you to survive volatility. So if you're serious about making money, stop trying to optimize every investment. Stop overthinking. Buy, hold, and wait, because in investing, the real money isn't made when you buy, it's made when you refuse to sell. Now let's talk about what I just bought, SCHG. I didn't buy this to trade it for a quick gain. I bought it because I want to look back in 5 years and say, damn, that was an easy win. Here's why. SCHG is an ETF that tracks the best large cap growth stocks. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia. It has one of the lowest expense ratios, 0.04%, meaning you're not losing money to fees. It just bounced off the 200-day EMA, which is the exponential moving average, a historically strong support level. And let me be clear, this isn't about timing the bottom. I don't care if it drops another 5% next week. I care about where it'll be in 5 years, because when you look at history, every market dip was a buying opportunity for high-quality growth stocks. And right now, SCHG is giving us that opportunity. Let's look at the long-term trend. The NASDAQ has outperformed the S&P 500 for decades. Growth stocks get hammered during downturns, but they come back even stronger. The best companies in the world aren't going anywhere. So I'm buying, and if the market drops again, I'll buy more. Because wealth isn't built by waiting for the perfect moment. It's built by stacking shares while everyone else is afraid. I'm also buying the triple QM because this is a long-term gold mine. Here's what you need to know. The triple QM tracks the NASDAQ 100, which means you own the best of technology. Apple, Microsoft, Google, Nvidia, Tesla, very similar to SCHG. And it just hit the 200-day EMA, a level that's historically signaled massive upside. It has outperformed the S&P 500 over the last 2 decades, which means holding this beats most people trying to pick stocks. And let's be clear, this is not about trying to time the bottom. It's about owning the right assets at the right time, because here's the reality. Every time the markets have pulled back, it's come back stronger. Every major dip in technology has been a wealth-building opportunity. Tech companies aren't just stocks. They're the backbone of the modern economy. So what do? I keep buying. If it drops further, I'll buy more. Because long-term, tech isn't going anywhere. The only thing that goes away, the people too scared to buy when it's cheap. Most people lose in the market because they hesitate. They wait for the perfect time. They second-guess every move, and they get left behind. The real winners, they buy, they hold, they let time do the work. So you have two choices. Keep waiting and watch opportunities pass you by, or start stacking shares now and let the market make you rich. If you want to know exactly what I'm buying, when I'm buying, and get real-time trade alerts, join my Patreon. That's where I break everything down as it happens. The link is in the description below. I'll see you on the inside.